Welcome back. Well, keep the rain gear handy. Splash and dash showers and heavy thunderstorms staying in the forecast day and or night in this type of pattern. Deep tropical moisture in place. So let's take a look at the numbers first, and then we'll get to what's ahead of us. At least with this wetter than normal pattern, we're seeing our daytime highs below normal. That is good news. Overnight lows staying above normal. The normal is no longer 75. It's closer to 77 to 80 so far over the last several summers. Nearly a quarter inch of rain, 20% of an inch of rain, and we're doing pretty well for the month. For the day, about quarter inch. For the month, 6.5 inches. But there are some folks, Arnaville, catching about 4 inches of rain today, and this is the nature of showers and storms. Yesterday, northern portions of Lafayette Parish catching 3 to 5 inches of rain, and we got more of that in the days ahead. Slow-moving thunderstorms, your rain chances only going higher, widespread activity during the day, not all day long, but you can see these high numbers and even nighttime numbers pretty high. Hopefully a little bit of an easing in the pattern. We'll tell you why coming up as we head toward the end of the week. If we plot up the cities by rain chances and when's your best chance for seeing the showers and storms, right now for tomorrow, the model's keying in. I'm kind of buying into this, mainly pre-dawn and morning hours, and then tapering off a little bit in the afternoon. Can't rule out flare-ups during the afternoon and evening hours. And then as we advance toward Tuesday, we see those rain chances ramping up a little bit later in the day with good coverage as we head through the midday hours on Tuesday. The tropical moisture only gets deeper after tomorrow compared to today and tomorrow. So what do we have? We have a weakness in the upper parts of the atmosphere, weak upper level trough. This upper level trough allowing for showers and storms to fire up, and eventually we'll be pulling more tropical moisture into the equation. So we're going to see scattered showers and storms. It's one of those summers where you can count on them just about every day and every day for the next week to 10 days for sure. Things quieting down across Louisiana. We still have some active weather in northwest Louisiana, and let's put things in motion over the last few hours. This is a 6-hour loop here. You can see some of the activity off to the north and west of us. We'll bring it into Lafayette. We'll go back 12 hours, and we saw a good scattering of activity during the morning hours, midday hours across the northern portions of Acadiana. Then portions of Lafayette got wet during the evening hours, but things have pretty much quieted down. Only activity to speak of close to home is up toward the Natchitoches area, crossing I-49 at this hour. So look at the moisture through tomorrow. Red being more moist, yellow being less moist, blue being nice and dry. We see what the pattern looks like for tomorrow, but then as we advance into Tuesday and Wednesday, you can see that deep tropical moisture across the area. So that means high rain chances, plenty of clouds, and some locally heavy rainfall. Toward the end of the week, we get a little bit of a break. Friday, Saturday, maybe a little African dust, kind of squelching some thunderstorm activity, but you can see we're painted in the red here, and there is a cool front, but along the East Coast. It's not going to impact us, but it could impact Florida and the Carolinas and Georgia, but I don't think we get to see any of that, and we stay in the wetness at least through mid-next following week. Rainfall totals for the week, this is so general, 3 to 5 upper Texas coast, southwest Louisiana, but you could double any of these numbers over the next week because you can catch 2 to 4, 3 to 5 in one slow-moving thunderstorm. So let's take a look at the model again. We'll go with the HERB model. Scattered activity, pre-dawn hours, 7 o'clock in the morning. Here we are at 10 o'clock in the morning, noon, and then activity may tone down a little bit for the afternoon. Then we do it all over again going into Tuesday. Some pre-dawn showers and storms, and then pretty good coverage across the area as we head into the afternoon hours. And rain totals vary. Quarter inch, half inch for some. Other folks catching 1 to 2. And the model likes on this particular run the heaviest rainfall, the risk of 2 to 4, 3 to 5 through Tuesday evening down along the coast. So overnight tonight, 77 the low, warm and humid with scattered storms developing toward daybreak. You may get woken up before your alarm clock goes off by either rumble of thunder or some pretty heavy downpours, and that's how we start the day tomorrow. And the KATC data, our TrueView Sky, pretty much picking up on this. This is all computer model data and what the model thinks, and it looks pretty good to me. So locally heavy downpours, your rain chance tomorrow at 70%, 80% for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then hopefully we can tone down the rain chances toward the end of the week going into the weekend, but we're not going to shake the chance of storms for at least the next 10 days, maybe more, as we head well into August, but it will get a little bit hotter with time. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little later on.